Hi guys, my name is Shabaz Salim and you start to watching my YouTube channel SAK Creations. So guys, welcome back to the channel, and also we are back with latest bridal blouse designs. And look at these designs we are making on these blouse designs, okay? And this is a very beautiful blouse designs, all time my favorite, and also very trending in a one time. And now some people also choose these designs, but it's looking very fabulous and also looking very gorgeous. Look at this blouse, and that type of work you never seen before, and we are making that type of blouse designs tutorials on this my channel in a first time. And then we are using in these blouse designs with some sugar beads, zardozi and kasab, with some kundan, stone chain, big nug, and also some silk thread. And now we are cutting the zardozi. And you also remember when you are stitching zardozi load, and all around the zardozi with the kundans. If you are stitching all around the kundans zardozi, so you need to cut your zardozi long size. If you want to stitching some zardozi load, so you need to cut same like this type, okay? And you use that type of scissor, not use big scissors. This is a special scissor for cutting that type of work like zardozi and any other materials like this, okay? So now we are start to printing on the back, and we are printing with the dry chalk. It's very common, you find it very easily. And look at this, we are you always remember one thing: when you are printing your blouse designs with the liquid, you need to use your paper is a right side, okay? And when you are printing same like that type of, you need to paper back side, okay? Or this is a very beautiful blouse designs, and same we are printing same on the back neck and also on the sleeves. And look at this is just amazing blouse designs, and we are making that type of blouse designs for first time in my YouTube channel. And if you are a beginner, you want to learn this work with the proper guidance, so you need to join my online classes. We are taking online classes in a Google Meet, week 6 classes. We have 2 programs. One is a 3-month courses, it's a basic to pro level. In the 3 months we will teach you everything about Aariwork. And we have a second one program is a 1 month, it's all about basic Aariwork. I think in my site, if you see in my suggestion, so I think you need to join my 3-month classes. It's very good for your upcoming future, like you need to open your boutique and many more related to designs, Aariwork designs, okay? And if you want more information, so please do WhatsApp on the same number. And now we are start to stitching some outline of the main project. And now we are using 7 number wooden needle. This needle not for a beginner. If you have some experience about Aariwork and you done Aariwork before, some like stitching some threads and any other type of work, so I think this needle good for you. If you have nothing experience like Aariwork, so this needle not for you guys. You need to buy Aari iron needle, same number, 7 number, okay? It's good for you. And if you want any type of help, please do WhatsApp on the same number. We are also provide you Aari needles, okay? So now we are stitching, first we are stitching one kundans on the middle side of these flowers. It's a mango shaped curry flowers, okay? And then we are stitching one sugar beads line, and then we are stitching a stone chain, and now we are stitching sugar beads. This sugar beads is not normal sugar beads, it's a crystal, and also this is a very expensive. And this sugar beads shine less, it's going long time, and if you are using with a good type of blouse, okay? And also take care of your blouse. Look at this, same as it is, we are stitching this all entire these carries on the middle side of these flowers. Look at this, first we are stitching like this kundans. These kundans have 2 options, one is sticking and one is stitching. This is kundan is a stitching option, so I think stitching was a good. And when you are sticking some fabric reels, so I think it's not going to too long. And now we are start to sticking some kundans on the top of these flowers and downside of the flowers. And we are also using two types color kundans, one green and one I think self. I'll show you everything. And then now you can see the front side of the border. First we are stitching one sugar beads line, then we are stitching some zardozi load, and then we are stitching one sugar beads line. Look at this, we are start to sticking some kundans with this is not a special wood, this is a little stick with 7 number wooden needle in the back side. You also use matchstick box stick, so I think it's perfect to use. No need to find anything about it, because my lots of family member message me, what is this bhaiya, this stick, what is this stick, and he wants more information about this stick. This is not a very unique cheese, it's normal. Okay, and now we are start to stitching say middle side of these flowers, like one stone chain and one sugar beads line and one white chandla. And we are using two combination. One is a white, because saris have some white border and also green peacocks on the down side of the sleeves border, saris border. That's why we are using green with the white. Okay, look at this. First we are stitching one sugar beads line, then we are sticking some kundans, and kundans with the outline with the zardozi, and then we are using poth and also one white stone. Okay, and if you face any type of difficulties, so please do WhatsApp me, and my team always ready for your help. You don't need to take too much time for wait my team reply. My team will very quick reply, and also we are stand with you all time, because we are ready for you guys, and we help you with the free, no cost of charges any. And if you join my classes, you need to pay some amounts. Okay, and now we are stitching a stone chain on the middle side of this sandal flower. It's a very unique blouse designs, and if you want to order these blouse designs, please do WhatsApp on the same number. You don't need to take so much stress. You just tell me which color you want, and I need your body measurement. I will make perfectly blouse designs with the same quality. You never seen any changes of these blouse designs or your blouse designs. We are making same as it is, because we are working on the trust, and my quality is my strength and all things. We are making all blouse designs with the good quality materials, and that's why you loved me so much, guys, because your support was incredible. And I'm see last my 1.5 month response is a very best time of my life. So that's why I'm never compromised with my quality, because my quality is my identity. And now SAK Creation is a big brand. This entire Aariwork lines and Aariwork industry, because we are using all these blouse designs material is original quality. Okay, so now we are stitching zardozi load and middle side of this sandal flower, and almost blouse was completed. I'll show you the final blouse designs look, and I hope you like so much. And if you want to order these blouse designs, you just tell me color, and we also sell with the saris. And if you want sari, this blouse designs actual price was 2,800 rupees, and cloth amount was a separate, and stitching also separate. Okay, and we are making these blouse designs with a very high quality material. So I think when you buy this blouse design in a one time, so I think it's going long time. Okay, and I think you never face any type of problem in my work. Okay, so you don't worry. If you want to order this blouse design, please don't take any stress. We are 100% trusted, and we are also making your according to your choice. Okay, so now we are stitching downside of these flowers, one crystal moti with one white moti, sugar beads with white moti. First we are stitching one sugar beads, and then 3 number moti, and also downside of this moti we are also stitching one sugar beads. That type we are making some lines on these all flowers on the sleeves. And this blouse design is not a straight line on the downside of the sleeves, it's like a curve type. Okay, and when you are stitching this blouse design, you don't need to stitching straight, you're just doing with this shape. So I think your blouse design is also looking very beautiful. Okay, and if you face any difficulties, guys, and if you understand my all things, you just do WhatsApp on the same number. I'll do any type of your help related to Aariwork. Okay, you don't need to take so much stress. You just tell me which work you not understand how to do that. I'll tell you everything. Okay, so now we are start to stitching some booties on this top of the sleeves, And these blouse designs have a 3 inches border on the downside, and all 8 inches we are sticking some booties, and same as it is we are stitching on the back neck. First we are stitching one border line, then we are stitching some booties on the back neck and also sleeves, top of the sleeves. Okay, and look at this, we are sticking some green color kundans flowers, and I think we are also stitching zardozi all around the kundans. When you are stitching zardozi all around the kundans, so I think your blouse design looking very beautiful and also increase your blouse designs look. And these flowers we are center, we are stitching some white stone, and all around this leaf we are sticking green color kundan. And this kundan was not a round shape, it's a pan shape, and kundans have a maximum 10 to 15 shape, very different shapes. So when you go the market, and you can see the all variant of the kundans. Okay, so now that time I'll show you the final blouse designs look. So look at this blouse design, guys, very beautiful blouse designs. And also tell me how's my work quality, and also tell me how's my explanation quality, because I know, guys, I'm not good in English, but I'll still try for you, because my lots of family members from south, and he does not understand good Hindi, so that's why I'll start to explain my work in English. So if I'll do any mistake, please forgive me, guys, like your little brother. Okay, so look at this, how much this shining. Look at this, blouse was too much shining, very beautiful. And these are all entire material we are using in these blouse designs, like kundans, sugar beads, zardozi, and white moti, stone chain, and many more things. Okay, and if you want to order these blouse designs, please do WhatsApp on the same number, guys. And we are also ready, and we are making this blouse design under 1 week, and also delivered in 1 week. All time we are taking in one blouse designs maximum 1 week. So if you want to do order, so please come in. And thank you so much for watching this video, and also thank you so much for your love and support, guys. And if you are new in my channel, so please do subscribe, and never forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye, guys.